My name is Tanner Holten, and I'm in the SMART program. Throughout my high school career, I took an electrical class, and that's pretty much all the experience I've ever had throughout my life. And then after I graduated, I took a lineman class, and then I just decided after that I think electrical was probably where I wanted to spend most of my time because it interests me so much. Since joining the program, my experience has been great. We have trainers that we go through and work on. So what we take from the trainers, we go and do on paper or do online assignments, and then after that, we take SOCA tests to show what we've learned and prove it. My experience with Nucor has been great. It's been great to see everything I've learned in class put on a grander scale. I hope to stay at Nucor, but after I graduate, I definitely want to get a job doing some form of maintenance, preferably electrical based. I would say to definitely join the class. It's worked out so well for me. And if you're thinking about joining the program, give us a call.